Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Eye. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily increase and decrease the font size in Windows. Let's get started. First, we'll open the Settings app. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and then selecting the gear icon, or simply pressing Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Next, click on Ease of Access. This is where you'll find all. Now, under the Display section, you'll see a slider labeled Make Text Bigger. Simply drag this slider to the right to increase the font size, or to the left to decrease it. You can see a preview of the text size above the slider. Once you've found the perfect font size, click Apply. It may take a few seconds for the changes to take effect. If you need more control over your display settings, you can also adjust the overall scaling. Go back to the main Display settings by clicking Home, then System, and finally Display. Here, you can change the scale and layout of your entire screen by selecting a percentage from the drop-down menu. For even more precise control, you can enter a custom scaling percentage. Click on Custom Scaling and type in a value between 100% and 500%. Be sure to log out and back in for the changes to apply. And that's it. Now you know how to easily adjust the font size in Windows to suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Tech AI for more useful tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.